Are you having trouble uploading WhatsApp stories on your PC? Let's troubleshoot this issue together with these simple steps. Firstly, restart your device. A quick reboot can often resolve temporary glitches and conflicts that may be hindering your ability to upload stories. Next, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable connection and consider switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps resolve the problem. It's also important to check for any device updates. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date, as outdated software can sometimes create compatibility issues with apps like WhatsApp. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. These services can sometimes interfere with the functionality of the app, including uploading stories. And finally, if none of the previous steps work, don't hesitate to contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. Their official support channels are there to help you troubleshoot and overcome any obstacles you may encounter. By following these steps, you should be able to address the issue of WhatsApp stories not uploading on your PC and get back to sharing your moments effortlessly.